Quantum AI, is it a scam or really working program? Let's find out. Hello everyone, today we will look at the Quantum AI. We will explain you what is this, how it works and answer the main question, whatever, is it a scam or really working program? Before we begin, I would like to draw your attention to the subtitles we have made for you. We wanted to cover this topic for as many people as possible, so we made some translations for you with our hands. Well, let's get started. When we started our research, the first thing we wanted to know was what is Quantum AI. We had already encountered dozens of trading programs in the past, but we were curious to know more about the details of this software and if there was anything that really set it apart from other programs. To our surprise, this program offers much more than others. It is full of features that make it unique. Quantum AI is a trading robot that analyzes digital currency markets in search of real trading opportunities. It helps traders with their tasks and gives them insight into which direction the market will move in a certain time frame. Knowing this in advance allows traders to make the right trading decisions. This gives them the ability to execute profitable trades right from their home. Quantum AI works by generating trading signals to its users. It uses superior algorithms, advanced technology and advanced technical indicators to create the highest quality signals. The resulting information helps traders make profitable trading decisions, although the predictions are not always 100% accurate. They allow traders to succeed in most of the trades they make. However, how good Quantum AI is depends on how traders use it. Results can vary from trader to trader depending on the settings they choose, the amount they invest in each trade, and the numbers of trades they make. Automated trading using Quantum AI has proven effective for many traders. Using its signals, traders have been able to gain an advantage in trading. Also, there is no need to download this program to your computer or laptop. Quantum AI can be run directly through your browser. The only thing you need to do is log into your account. Quantum AI is very easy. The official Quantum AI website has all the information you need to get started with this incredible program. Here are the steps you need to follow to create a free account. First one, visit the official Quantum AI website and enter your information into the form provided on the right side of the homepage. Second, make a $250 deposit with the broker you registered with. And third one, set up the program parameters and start receiving signals for successful trading. A very important goal of financial traders is to increase their profitability with each trading session. That is, they are looking for tools and solutions that will help them gain an advantage in trading. The digital currency market is quite competitive, and you have access to different products and tools. However, in order to make the best trading decision, you need to provide yourself with the best tools. Ultimately, Quantum AI is an easy-to-use program that requires no specialized skills from the trader. The percentage of winning trades with the Quantum AI is quite high, which definitely puts traders in a winning position. Reviews from the real users of this application testify for its reliability and authenticity. The brokers it integrates with are licensed and regulated by reputable financial authorities. Anyone can start using it with a small deposit and enjoy the efficiency of this program, thanks to its sophisticated algorithms and technology, which can be used to confirm the legitimacy of the application. So, it is clear that the Quantum AI is not a fraudulent program. Here's my opinion. Quantum AI is a great program for investors looking to join the cryptocurrency industry. It is full of innovative features, and its capabilities set it apart from most other currency available on the market. We have had the pleasure of analyzing this software and presenting its best features to the general public. And as a final word, we would like to recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable, secure and genuine trading platform. Thanks for reviewing. Goodbye.